Imagine stumbling across a mysterious image online. Just a black background with white text saying, "We are looking for highly intelligent individuals." No context, no explanation, just a challenge. One that would spiral into one of the greatest internet mysteries of all time. This was Cicada 3301. In January 2012, a post appeared on the internet forums 4chan. It invited people to solve a series of incredibly complex puzzles. We are not talking simple riddles. This thing included hidden codes, references to obscure literature, cryptography, steganography, and even clues that led to real world locations across different countries. At first, it looked like a simple image, but users quickly realized that there was data hidden within it. By running the image through a steganography tool, they covered a hidden link. That link led to more puzzles, encoded messages, obscure ciphers, even references to literature like works by William Blake and Mayan numerology. It wasn't just a test of intelligence, it was a test of patience, creativity, and global collaboration. Thousands of people jumped in to try solving it. But here's when it got even crazier. After days of decoding, solvers were led to real world GPS coordinates pinned around the globe in Warsaw, Paris, Seoul, Sydney, and more. At each location, posters were taped to lampposts with the Cicada logo, a black and white image of the cicada insect, along with QR codes. Scanning them unlocked the next stage of the puzzle. This meant whoever was behind Cicada 3301 wasn't just some bored internet troll. They had resources, international reach, and meticulous planning. The puzzles combined everything from advanced cryptography and prime number sequences to references from medieval manuscripts, cyberpunk philosophy, and even data hidden inside MP3 sound files. At one point, solvers found themselves exploring obscure concepts like the Voynich manuscript, a centuries old undeciphered book, and even reading texts from esoteric thinkers like William Gibson and Aleister Crowley. It wasn't just about solving codes, it was like being pulled into a living, breathing conspiracy. That was all what happened during those series of events. So ultimately, who was behind it? There are many theories on the internet. One of them is intelligent agencies. Some believe that Cicada was a recruitment program for organizations like the CIA, NSA, or M16 searching for elite code breakers. After all, the skills required, encryption, steganography, cryptanalysis, are exactly what intelligence agencies look for. So that is something that can happen. Another theory was that Cicada 3301 was a hacker collective. Some people think that an underground hacker group gathering only the best of the best for their project. Theory third, a secret society. There are those people who say Cicada 3301 was the modern version of a secret order like Freemasons, but digital. And of course, the internet being the internet, some claimed aliens were involved. Oh God. What happened to the solvers? Here is where it gets chilling. Supposedly, a few people actually solved the entire puzzle. Once they reached the final stage, they were asked to prove their loyalty and secrecy. After that, silence. No winner ever came forward. No official ending was revealed. Those who supposedly passed the test disappeared from the public conversation. Then, in 2013 and 2014, Cicada 3301 returned with entirely new puzzles. And then, just as suddenly, they vanished. No new challenges since 2015. The legacy of Cicada 3301. Even today, Cicada 3301 is considered one of the hardest puzzles ever made on the internet. Cryptographers, cybersecurity experts, mathematicians, some of the smartest people online tried and failed. Yet, the mystery remains. Who created Cicada 3301? What was its purpose? Recruitment? A game? A cult? Or something even stranger? Like the internet believes aliens. No one knows for sure. And maybe that is what makes it so powerful. Because the unanswered questions are often scarier and more fascinating than the answers themselves. So, ultimately, what do you think? Was Cicada 3301 just an elaborate puzzle made for fun? Or was it a recruitment tool for something much bigger? Drop your theories in the comments, I'll be reading them. And if you love internet mysteries and hidden conspiracies, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Because we have only just scratched the surface of the strange and secret corners of the web. Thank you.